Are home warranties worth it or just fine print? Here's the plain English take. They're not insurance. They're actually service plans that help with major costs or systems and appliances. Home warranties are great for older systems, first-time buyers who want predictable costs, or anyone who'd rather call one number than hunt down contractors. Home warranties are a little less useful on newer homes with builder or manufacturer coverage, or if you're super handy or picky about who does the work. What you want to do is scan for any coverage caps, service fees per call, and pre-existing issue exclusions, and whether you can choose your own vendor. Home warranties won't replace an inspection, and it doesn't cover everything. Think of it as a budget tool, not a magic shield. I'm Gina with the Lucas Howard Group. If you want more information on home warranties, comment below.